So let me just grab your attention for a minute. If you are thinking about starting a trial of the Kajabi platform, you need to watch this video before you do. Now, currently they're running one of their biggest promotions to date. This is 50% off all plans for 6 months. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get that same promo for an extended 6 months, so up to 12 months just by using my link. And not only that, I'm going to showcase the 5 major updated products that Kajabi are rolling out over this next month. And I'm also going to add on some live coaching calls with me. Now, heads up, this is a time-sensitive promotion. It's only open for a couple of weeks. And if you want to get access, just click on the link below. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Or you can head to timpeakman.com and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here we are on my main domain. As you can see here, Kajabi's May 2026 promo. It is 50% off for 12 months using my link until June the 2nd. So if you're watching this video after June the 2nd, still come here, either click on this link or click on Kajabi. The 30-day trial is my most popular trial. It is still open to the public. So you can, if you want to use Kajabi for free for a few days, I might get in trouble for saying this, but start with my 30-day free trial. Have a look under the hood and see if you like it or not. Then if you have time up until the 2nd of June, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. And this is the limited time offer. So this is 12 months of Kajabi at 50%, not the 6 months, the complete 12 months. And I'm going to showcase 5 main rollouts that they're doing with these product updates. And like I said, I'm offering 3 live coaching calls with me for those people who sign up with my link. So all you need to do is sign up through my link, click on this big red button. Now that's going to take you through to the landing page of the Kajabi offer. And it's going to show everything there is about this offer. So you can choose the basic, the growth, and the pro. Basic goes from 179 down to 89. Growth goes from 249 down to 124, and then the Pro goes all the way from 499 down to 249. And these are the 5 main products that they are rolling out. And like I said, I can get you these prices for your first 12 months of this plan. So what they've got is Backstage, Amplify, MCP, Expert Agents, and Co-Founder. And I'm going to go through those one by one in this video. So starting off with Co-Founder. Co-Founder is live now. So if you were to sign up right now, you could get access to Co-Founder. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to showcase a little bit of what Co-Founder can do. It is an AI chatbot or large language model based on some of the popular models that is inside your Kajabi account. So it's baked into your subscription. So it learns exactly what you do, what products you've created, what emails you've created, and then it can give you the next best step. So it can help you build out your email. It can help you price your products, and it can help you get unstuck with the next stage of your business growth journey, just chatting to it rather than chatting to an LLM outside of Kajabi. It's within your own Kajabi. So it can give you a bit of analytics, a bit of the best ways forwards, and it can hold your hand throughout the entire process. So it is trying to get you unstuck and progress that little bit further forward. Now stay to the end of this video because I will walk you through that because it is live in my account. The next product that is coming live very soon is called Backstage. Now Backstage is a new product. It is a portal. It is a library. It lets you add sessions and voice memos. It is basically asking your one-to-one clients to come backstage with you to have that more personal experience. So you can send them notes, you can pull content from other programs, and you can really bespoke their journey with a high-ticket one-to-one coaching program. So this is coming live soon, and it's going to really change the way you experience working with your one-to-one clients. And ultimately, it's going to leverage those high ticket programs so you can get great transformation with your one-to-one clients. The next one is Amplify. So the biggest stat here for me is basically Kajabi. Within all of the Kajabi users or Kajabi heroes, there is 551 million contacts. So that's all of the heroes' contacts. So this is a platform where it lets you either be a sponsor or a publisher to either have someone's paid ad in your email newsletter or pay for your ad to be in somebody else's email newsletter. So this is a bit of a cross-pollination between either your skill set or your audience with other people's skill set or their audience. So there's going to be some good synergies going forward once you put those two together. So the next product that is going to be rolled out, and I'm quite excited about this one, is an MCP or a modal context protocol. And this simply is a little bit like an API. You're connecting two programs together, but this is for AI or large language models. So if you're working away on something like Claude or ChatGPT, this will allow it to link directly into your Kajabi so you can then build things out using your AI platform of choice. So you can tell your AI what you want, and then it can simply go via the MCP into your Kajabi account, and then it can build out stuff for you. So watch it build landing pages, watch it build launch profiles, and it can access your entire business. So this is coming towards the end of this month at time of this recording, but this is a highly desired functionality, the MCP, for people who are using AI on the regular to actually plug into their Kajabi account. Now, the last one then is expert agents. And this is all about having someone or some agent working away on your platform or program whilst you sleep. So they're starting with sales agents and teaching assistants, but then they're going to plug this into universal inbox everywhere within your Kajabi account. So for example, if somebody lands on a sales page and then types into the agent, "Is this for beginners?" you can have that agent respond with a consolidated response. Teaching assistants, if someone is in your programs learning away and they want to ask a question, if you're not there, if it's like midnight for you, then the expert agent that is trained on your content can respond on your behalf and then help them get unstuck to progress onto that next phase. So they are the 5 products that are being rolled out currently with Kajabi. Now, the co-founder is already launched. I'm just going to show you a little bit how you get there again. If you head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, and yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, and I highlight exactly what you get. It's that 12-month extended package, and then all of those sessions with me. So these are live trainings, and you also get everything that is bundled in with my 30-day trial. And now I'm just going to head over into my Kajabi account just to showcase what this looks like within Co-Founder. So here I am in my live Kajabi site. As you can see, this has got my promo for these next 2 weeks. If I was to click on this little Co-Founder icon, you can then start chatting away with Co-Founder right away. And it's just like a large language model, but it's baked into your Kajabi. So very recently I changed my registered business address. So I simply asked Co-Founder, "I've just changed my registered office address for my business. Where in Kajabi do I need to edit this?" And then it's just come up with number 1, site level business info in your public facing documents. And then number 2, payments, checkout and customer invoices. Number 3, system emails and templates. And then number 4, your Kajabi account and billing. So I went ahead and changed my registered office address in all of these places. And now I'm confident that I've done my bit. Going up to another one, I wanted to create a deep link. I knew that I wanted to create a deep link for one of my sales pages, but I wasn't sure of how to create a deep link within Kajabi. So rather than just linking out to a landing page, you link to a section of a landing page. So then Co-Founder just reeled off how I could do this. First of all, setting my landing pages up with the different sections and the different titles on those sections, and then creating those deep URLs or the deep links that I can then share with anyone that I wanted to go straight to a section in a page. So that is the Kajabi spring promotion of 2026. Hopefully you're watching this video within this window up to the 2nd of June. If you want to get access to all those bonuses, that extended 12-month 50% off, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And if you're outside that window, still check out that landing page and see what free bonuses that I offer in exchange for signing up with my link. As always, any specific questions, just leave them down below. I will be doing some more walkthroughs as these products roll out so I can show you exactly how they impact your subscription. Hopefully you found value in this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.